Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the fundamentals. Match horizontal and vertical sensitivity and reduce controller dead zone so your inputs are predictable. Once done, tune ADS multiplier and aim assist subtly. Small changes matter. Make sure to warm up for 10 to 15 minutes. Mix tracking drills with movement-only scenarios in a private match. This establishes feel and prevents bad habits. Start playing only after your tracking and turns feel consistent. That first repetition sets the tone for your improvement. You now layer in the complex mechanics. Practice slide cancel, bunny hop, and crouch strafing in short, focused drills so each becomes automatic. Once done, chain movements, slide into jump into mantle to preserve momentum. Stopping kills your advantage. Make sure to use perks and equipment that support your style, for example lightweight for sustained speed or tack mask for predictable strafes. Pay attention to timing. The how is about rhythm, and the why is map control and unpredictability that wins gunfights. You finish by turning practice into feedback, record rounds, and review a few clips to identify movement mistakes like overcorrection or slow resets. Once done, adopt a weekly routine, 20 minutes of drills, 30 minutes on key maps, 10 minutes cooldown to keep progress steady. Make incremental tweaks rather than wholesale changes. Small tests reveal cause and effect. If things go wrong, reset to defaults and change one variable at a time so you can pinpoint what broke your movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.